Let's go ahead and get started. There's a door sensor on each of the 4 doors. I'm just going to show you on the right side. Let's start with the front door. Open the door and right there is where the sensor is. You will need to have a T30, a Torx 30 screwdriver for this job. That's the only tool you need, and you will need to have that tool. Without it, you cannot do this job. Get the screwdriver and let's loosen that one bolt over there. That one bolt is what holds the sensor in place and also completes the electrical circuit, so don't lose that bolt, it's important. Now get the sensor and pull it out, and we need to undo that electrical connector. So press right where I'm pressing, press it over there, and then pull the sensor off the connector. And don't let go off of the connector because it may get pulled in the body and then it's a lot more work to pull it out of there. So just keep one finger on it, get the new sensor, click it back on the connector. It only goes on one way, that's good. And when you put the sensor back in the body, you may have to wiggle it left and right a little bit to get it in place. Now just hand tighten that bolt first and then tighten it down, and that is looking good. Let's move to the rear door, open the door, and right there's where the sensor is. Exact same process as the front one, no differences whatsoever, but I'm going to do it just so I can prove it to you that is in fact just as easy. Same T30 screwdriver, let's loosen that bolt, and the one good thing about the rear door is that the wire length is a little bit longer than the front one, so you can let go off of the electrical connector when you take the sensor off. It won't get pulled into the body easily. Now let's get the new sensor, align it with the connector and click it on. Let's put the sensor back in the body. Hand tighten the bolt first and then tighten it down using the T30 screwdriver, and that's pretty much it. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.